Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard coins quickly in Mobile Legends. The primary and only way to acquire these valuable coins is by actively playing on the Mobile Legends Advanced server. This special server allows you to test new features and earn exclusive rewards. Focus on completing your daily missions and participating in available events to maximize your coin collection. To truly maximize your Vanguard coin earnings, make sure to log in every day on the Advanced server. Many events, like the Vanguard Coin Supply and Vanguard Benefit events, offer substantial coin bonuses. Winning matches in modes such as Rank, Classic, or Brawl also contribute significantly to your daily coin accumulation. Consistency is key for rapid growth. Once you've collected a good amount of Vanguard coins, you can exchange them for diamonds on the main Mobile Legends server. This is a fantastic way to get premium currency without spending real money. Keep an eye out for special events where you can use your coins to get significant discounts on hero bundles or skins, sometimes even acquiring items for just 1 diamond. Remember, Vanguard coins are exclusively found and earned on the Advanced server. They are not available on the regular game server. While your gameplay progress on the Advanced server won't carry over, the coins you earn can be transferred and used in the main game. Always check the in-game events section for the latest information on coin exchange periods and available rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.